How to fix Windows error code 0xc000000f. Here are some tips that would help you fix Windows error code 0xc000000f. 1. Check and change power cord and remove external devices. 2. Run the following commands in command prompts under troubleshoot option. /fixmbr /fixmbr3.use. Start up repair to repair bootengr. 4. Run the following command in command prompts under troubleshoot option. /rebuild. 5. Check your data cables, reset, BIOS, settings, and update drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Check your disk with the chkdsk utility, command, chkdskc/f. 7. Back up your personal stuff. Refresh your PC. Or, reset your PC. 8.